Hey loves, so I am going to be doing an unboxing video and just pretty much doing like a review on this hair that I received. So I have received some hair from Liyah hair company, and it's actually going to be my first time trying out this hair. I believe it's 3 bundles and a lace closure that I have chosen and what I have received. So as you can see, I have not opened up this package yet because I want to do like a full unboxing reaction, you know, just to see how it's packaged and how it looks and everything. So I'm going to show you guys all of this on camera. So let's just go ahead and get into this. Pink bubbled wrapped. This box is cute. So this is the box. It says Liyah hair, as free as your hair. That's cute. The cute little bows, I really like that. I don't know, white is like clean and pure to me and classic, so I really like that. And then I like this color. It's like actually one of my favorite colors. And we're gonna go ahead and open this. So I'm just gonna slide that off, and let's see how it opens. So you actually open it like this. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, it's this way actually. It's a little piece of transparent paper. And then here is a letter. That's what it looks like. So let's proceed to getting to the goodies. Okay, so this look that I have in mind that I want to do with this hair, I was like straight hair would be the best. So this is Peruvian straight, and then I did request like the long inches. So this is size 18 straight. Okay, so I got 3 bundles. This one is Peruvian straight 22 inch. So this is how long. Ooh, I got bundles. Okay, and then this is the Peruvian straight 20. So I got 18, 20, and 22 inches. So there you go. And then I got the lace closure. And this is what that looks like. So let me take it out the package. I'm just gonna take one out the package, and then I'll take out the lace closure. Super straight. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is what it looks like. Now you guys, to be honest, like I haven't like bought bundles in a very long time. I haven't even made like a quick weave or, you know, used bundles on myself in a very long time. So the look that I'm going to be creating with this is going to, I've already decided it's going to be a U-part wig. So that's what I want to make with this. I actually had 2 different styles that I wanted to do. I wanted to do like a bob short haircut style with this, but I was like, let me see how the hair looks, because maybe I can do a 2-for-1 type of deal, you know, like use these 3 bundles and the lace closure to make 2 different type of wigs. But I don't know, looking at the bundles, I'm like, I may not have enough. But my hair, my natural hair is fine and thin, so I'm just kind of feeling like I don't need it really extra full and big, you know. So we'll see, but I do plan on doing a U-part wig, which I'll show you guys how I create that. It's how it turns out. Okay. So let's look at the lace closure. And honestly, again, I have not done like a lace closure wig on myself, like for myself. I've sewn in other people's, but I've never really done it on myself. But I am wanting to get more into doing wigs and stuff for myself, just for more protective styles. And plus I like to cut and just have different styles, so why not? But this is what it looks like. So I don't know if I'm gonna bleach the knots. I probably won't. Honestly, I probably will not, to be quite honest. But this is what it looks like. So let's see. Let's get an idea. Ooh, it comes with baby hairs. Yes. Alright, so far it looks good. A style that I'm going to do is pretty simple, but I am going to show you guys exactly how I do this hair wig part. Okay, so keep on watching. Okay, for this wig, I'll be using the styrofoam head, super easy to get and cheap. And also I'll be using the make your own U-part wig cap. It comes pretty ready to go, so it comes with the straps in the back and then also the U-part opening. So I'm going to put that on the head, and now I'm just going to make sure I have my needle and thread and also some clips. These are the ones that I've purchased. It did come with some, but you guys will see that later. So I'm going to have my needle threaded, and then also I'm going to be using the 2 bundles, 20 and 22 inches. I'm going to make sure the weft is on the right side. You can tell because the weft is smoother on the right side. So I'm going to sew directly on top of the U-part opening. I sew through the weft, and then I'll go ahead and loop through the hole and tighten that, and then just keep on doing that until I get a stitch that looks like this. So I'm going to go all the way around the opening of the U-part. And once I'm finished, I'm going to cut that off, tie it in a knot, cut off the remainder of the weft. And now I'm just going to keep on doing this process until I fill up the cap. And if you're wondering why am I starting on top, it's just so I won't have too much density in the back, and I'm making sure I mainly have the front done because I want my wig to look like it's my hair. So I want to make sure it's the right density. And after the first row of weave, I did just loop through the weft in the front of the beginning and the end, but throughout the middle, I just went underneath the weft. And it just makes it easier and faster. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I did. And also, once I got towards the back, after the first few rows of weave, I did make the gaps a little bit bigger. And yeah, you guys, pretty much it. That's how I made this wig. Super easy in my opinion. And now I'm just going to show you guys how this came with the combs, but I actually have purchased my own combs a while back, so that's what I'll be using, and I'll be using these clips. Alright you guys, so here she is complete. I added on the clips. Well, this is how I added them on, and I also added on the comb to the back. I just felt like this many clips will do, but I don't know, we'll see how it turned out. I made it as full as I think it will look good for me. So we're just gonna go ahead and see how she looks. So I have to take my hair out of this ponytail, and I'm just going to comb it down and then begin the parting for the leave out. I'm not going to leave that much out, and I'm just going to make sure I'm not leaving too much out too. So then I'm just going to go and part for braiding. I'm just going to braid around the U-part opening just so the clips can go in and have something to attach to. And then I'm just going to put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. Now you guys, I'm just going to cut off the string. You see how it's holding the U-part closed. I'm going to cut off that string, and then I'm going to attach the back, or straps shall I say. And then I'm going to put the wig on and begin to clip it down in the front. And then I'm going to take out the leave out, and then I'm going to part and begin to smooth it into the weave or wig. Woo! So you guys, it really looks super good. No lie, I'm super excited. It literally looks like it's my hair. My hair blended in so well. I didn't re-flat iron it or anything. It's been pretty much flat ironed for over a week. So this is what it looks like, super natural even in the front. Now I'm just going to use my wand to smooth the top part of the hair, you know, the tracks, because they were twisted up and rolled up. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix the little front part of my baby hairs. And this is what it looks like. Looks super good. I really love it. And now, just to go ahead and switch it up a little, I'm going to use my wand curler again just to curl the hair. I want to see how it looks with curls, so that's what I'm doing. And now I'm going to use the Smooth and Shine polisher and put that on the hair and separate the curls. And voila, that's how it looks curled. I actually love both styles. I mean, you guys will see my commentary at the end, but yeah. So this is the end of the video, the unboxing slash review slash DIY U-part wig. But I am just super glad that this style came out super bomb. I mean, I am in love with this U-part wig now. Like, it is definitely going to be my go-to for protective style, and most importantly, you guys, I am super glad that I have good quality hair. Liyah hair, thank you. Seriously, I just want to say thank you, because honestly, I feel like now that I know about this company, I can keep using it, and then also I can tell you guys to go ahead and check them out if you're looking for good quality hair. As you can see, this hair is like tangle free. You guys saw it straight, super silky, came straight, but also I curled it, so I didn't have any issues at all. And overall, I would just say this is a good company. Even the communication on their end is really good, and I feel like they really care about their product and their customers. So you guys, I will have everything linked in the description box. I'll have the products that I use for making the U-part wig, so you can do it for yourself at home, and also the information for Liyah hair, so you can check them out and get you some bundles, because I got some bundles now. I got some bundles now. But overall, if you like how this turned out, and if you would try this for yourself at home, then go ahead and like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already became part of Team CYB, and press that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. But I shall catch you in the next one. Bye.